Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to update document in MongoDB. So here now I am show you tb.students.find enter. So right now we have a 5 students data here, and now here for updating we have a 4 types to update the Mongo. So here I will explain you one by one how can we update the Mongo document. So by using first type, so within the first type we can update the Mongo document by using id. So here control plus L. Now here tb dot students dot find. For that we need a id. So here I can use this object id here. So for this update db dot students dot update opening parenthesis, then opening curly braces, and within this we have to pass underscore id colon. So for John we can complete this copy, and we can paste it here. So we have id of John, and now we can set the value dollar set colon here name colon. So within this parenthesis, so I'm going to type here Johnny. So see here we have right now the name is John, and now we can modify the name is Johnny, and then press enter. So you can see here right result in matched is 1 and modified 1. So here let's see our db.student.find. So you can see here our student name is Johnny, from John to Johnny. So this is the one type to update the document. So if you want to update multiple document based on some conditions, so here we are going to see on based on some condition. So again db dot students dot update. So here opening parenthesis, and here age colon 17 comma dollar set colon opening this, and name colon John double S. Okay, so what it command does, so let's check it. Reference John is not defined. Okay, so here we have to use double quotes, so we have to forget here use, so we can use here and then press enter. So you can see here n matched 1 and modified 1. So what it command does, so the command is update the name of John is where the age is 17. So if you can see our data, so in our database we have a 2 student whose age is 17. So let's see whose age is 17. Fine. So you can see here Mark and John has the same age 17. So as per the query, we have to update both values, John and Mark. But you can see here we have updated only one value, John. So first it is a Johnny, and after the fire query, it made it as John double S. Okay. So what happens? So using this query, only update first record which is matches to overcome, which is first record which is matches. That means, so using this query, so within this whole documents, the first record which is matched, that only that record is going to update, not others. So this is the one drawback of this query. So how to overcome this problem? For that, we have to go for the third type of the update query. So let's see. So here we have already written this query, db.student update age 17, set name Jonas, right? So within this query, what we are going to try here, so update the name John double S, where the age is 17, right? So right now we have a two student whose age is 17, right? So for this updating this document, we have to just insert here multi true. So here comma and use multi colon true and press enter. So you can see here the match document is 2 and modified 1. So why this modified is 1? So here we have to find two records matched and modified one, because our John double S is already updated, so it's not going to update again, but Mark is going to update. So let's find what happens. So just check it, John double S and John double S, where age is 17, right? Okay, so now we are going to show you fourth update type. So here for fourth update, we are going to show here tb dot students dot save method. So what it shows save method is going to do, so within this save method we have to pass id and all the document which we have already inserted, the whole document. So let's see here the John. So I'm going to here copy this document and paste here. So you can see here student.save object id here, name John double S age 17, subject maths Java. So I'm just update here the name called Mark is 17, subject maths colon Java, and just enter. So what it is, syntax error, argument list cell missing. Okay, here db.student save id colon object id, within this, okay, within the name Mark is 17 colon students. Okay, here we have missed this opening and closing of curly braces. Okay, and then press enter. So you can see here matched record is 1 and modified is 1. So let's see here db.find. So you can see here Sachin, Jonas, Julie and Mark. So what this save method is going to do with this our document. When we inserting the data by using this save method, if this object id is already present in our collection, then it will going to update the data. If this id is not present in our collection, then it will insert the document with this id. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and share and subscribe my channel for new upcoming videos. Thank you.